Well, we just received the newest update by the National Hurricane Center, and places in central Georgia are officially under a tropical storm warning. So specifically, Wilcox County, Dodge County, Telfair County, Wheeler County, Montgomery County. You could see winds over 39 miles per hour, and places under a tropical storm watch: Chris County, Dooley County, Pulaski County, Bleckley County, Lawrence County, and Shrewtland County. You have the potential to see tropical storm force winds. Now, looking at the satellite and radar, portions of Florida have been impacted by the dirty side of the storm. So we've been seeing severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings throughout the day, and I think this will continue into tomorrow early morning. Now, looking at the newest track by the National Hurricane Center, we're expecting the storm to reach Category 1 strength by later tonight, and a landfall is likely through the Big Bend region of Florida as a Category 1 hurricane, and certainty is growing that this storm will stall over the southeastern corner of Georgia due to a ridge of high pressure that is pushing this storm down to the south. And this stall is the reason why we believe that central Georgia will be impacted by this storm. So we officially have a flood watch for our eastern half of central Georgia starting tonight and into Tuesday. We also have a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather for the southeastern tip of our tips of the southeastern counties, but the main concern still involves flooding. Now, looking at what the Future View has to say in regards to the storm, we're still expecting the dirty side of the storm to impact Florida, and landfall is still expected for Monday morning. Now, notice this: Monday, 1 o'clock, that's when we can start to see impacts of central Georgia, specifically the southeastern counties. Then we could see some potential thunderstorms that could turn severe, especially within that risk for the southeastern counties Monday evening. But we are on the left side of the storm, which is the calmer side. Now, this storm will stall and provide prolonged rainfall for the south and eastern counties into Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, we're expecting the storm to finally be out of our neck of the woods. Looking at the long-range future view, disagreement is now shown through Thursday morning as the GFS has a storm moving back inland and back into central Georgia, and then the Euro has a storm moving northward towards the Atlantic coast. So some uncertainty still remains in regards to the forecast, but we have issued a weather impact alert day for Monday and for Tuesday, and this will be mainly for our south and eastern counties. So when is this? Monday and Tuesday. What is the impact? Potential flooding and gusty winds, so winds over 39 miles per hour. So what do you need? Well, to stay weather aware, to have updates by the National Hurricane Center, the National Weather Service, and to look at the updates by 13 WMAZ, and to be aware of flooding. If you are driving and you see a potentially flooded road, turn around, do not drown. We'll be back with more updates.